Back in March of this year, many of you will know that Nio launched a high-end sedan called the ET9. Starting price of that car is around 800,000 RMB or over $100,000, which shows you that it is not a car that is cheap. It's a car that is quite pricey, and therefore not many people can afford that car, because even comparing to the other Nio models, that car is super expensive. I mean, take the Nio ES8, all new Nio ES8 for instance, starts around 406,000 RMB, and the ET9 starts, the ET9's price is double that of the ES8, which shows you that it does not come cheap. But look, man, technology in that car, it's worth the money. I'm telling you, from the active suspension, from the steer to the steer-by-wire, me and you can agree that, look, technology of the ET9 is on another level. Anti-coalition beam, I've showed you those videos, we've discussed about that. It shows you that it's very much different from the other EV cars, which is something that is just so great. Now, Nio, a couple of months ago, they launched a two-tone ET9, which of course has got a two color in the body, which that they were trying together with the new mag wheels, which with that they made it even more exquisite. This is something that of course is making a lot of people to be excited. I mean, what we've been seeing in China is that most executives, or some executives rather, are opting to go to buy this car because of its high tech, because of its comfortability and its quality. They are opting to buy this. I mean, just 2 days ago I saw the ET9 talks with a certain executive from another company, a lady, and our CEO, which was so amazing to see that, look, a lot of people that are executives or CEOs, they are preferring to go and buy that car. They prefer the Nio ET9, which is something that is good. Now, in terms of sales, the reason why I'm giving you this background, in terms of sale, therefore we cannot expect a lot of people or mass market to be able to afford this car. I mean, let's face it, people cannot really, not many people can afford the ES8, in as much as it's selling well like cupcakes. Not many people can afford that, because starting price, like I said, 406,000 RMB or $57,000. This is the starting price of that model. But now this ET9, it's not many people that can afford it. Now, like I said, the reason why I'm telling you, now there is an October ranking of the cars over 500,000 RMB, or the ultra large sedans, which of course the ET9 was part of that list, but it did not take the first spot. I mean, the first spot, you'll notice there that it was taken by the Maxetro Ace 800 with 1,970, followed by U7 197, then Nio 127. But you must take cognizance of one thing, guys. The Maxetro Ace 800, it is a car that sells both hybrid cars and full EV cars. And apparently, on that 1,970, according to China EV Homes, the 11 were pure electric vehicles. U7 pure electric vehicles were only 49. So the top spot, which was taken by U7 and obviously the S800, these cars, when it comparing pure electric vehicles, ET9 is still selling more than these cars. Part of the reason these cars are still selling a bit better or good than Nio is because they are also selling hybrid cars, and you know that they are still, in as much as infrastructure for charging and swapping is there, people are still hesitant to go buy full EV cars, which that you must always have at the back of your mind. The good positive note is that China is transitioning into full EV cars. People are becoming more and more comfortable going to buy EV cars, which that is good news. It's something that as an investor of Nio, it makes me to look forward to what is coming. So when I saw this, I was quite excited to say that, look, this car is still selling pretty good when we look especially into full EV cars. Not hybrid cars, but full EV cars. But going to hybrid, Maxetro, you need to give it to them. U7, you need to give it to them, because these cars are doing so well also. But for pure electric vehicles, or when looking at pure electric vehicles, Nio, it is that car, or ET9 becomes that car now that is doing the most in its segment. which is something that is great, something that is exciting, and it makes me to look forward to what is coming. So yeah, man, I just thought I'd quickly come and give you this update. Tell me what you think about this. I think we should definitely brace ourselves for what is coming, because in as much as ET9 might not sell as many units, but rest assured the ES8, the Onvo L90 are going to be the ones to really generate new massive revenues or massive sales, which is something that we look forward to. Anyways, don't want to make this video too long. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Look, man, it does take me some time to create content like this, which is why I ask you to like, share, subscribe, hit or click that notification bell. I know share price wise, Nio might not be doing what we wanted to or performing the way we wanted to, but this is a company that is expected or still expected to do very, very well. And the people that are going to get rewards from this company are those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price. I notice that some of you, because of the share price of Nio maybe dropping, you are starting to panic, right? The comments, some of you guys comment, it's like they are changing. You only like Nio when the share price is going up. When it's going down, some of you guys are not happy to see that, which of course all of us we don't know, but we know the drill, that the low trading price is an opportunity for us to load the boat as the long term of the stock does not change from $3 to $6 or $7. You all know how long it took, and I don't think from 6 to 10 it will take that long. It will come unexpected, and like what so many people were doing when Nio was still at $3, and that is panicking and selling their stocks. Some of the people, I'm sure they are selling right now, but obviously are going to regret at a later stage. But for some of the smart investors of Nio, we know this is an opportunity to increase our holdings onto Nio to bring our average down. But anyways, not here to talk about the stock price. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.